silver. That would fucking suck. Adam, you have to see! Adam, you missed it. You missed it. You missed it. You missed it. That's if the door helps. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's right. I don't know that the door... What if we do all that, come back, and the door, there's nothing behind the door that helps me? Oh, shit. What if I'm just fucked? It's quite possible. It's quite possible that I'm just fucked. But, we're gonna try. We're gonna try our damnedest. I might just be at a level where it's not worth it, but I'm gonna try my damnedest. Adam, you haven't seen my gun. I am the Silver Shroud, by the way. Check this shit out. Check out my sexy, 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 fully modded silver submachine gun. Let me show you what it does to bitches' faces. Because it is sexy as fuck. Let's find somebody to shoot. Let's find someone to kill. There must be someone around here who wants to die. To the Silver Shroud. Yeah, we've been doing the Silver Shroud quest line, and I'm got my. Oh, hi. You want to die? Okay, wait. First. I thought he was far enough away that that was a good idea. I thought wrong. I thought wrong, boys. That did not go my way. Okay. I got cocky. I got really cocky. Let's try that again. I know there's muties over here now. Okay, so first off. Where's the suicider? Okay. There's another one. Good God. So many suiciders. Kind of cool ability on it. I'll check it out in a minute here. I haven't seen any, legendary armor yet. Well, and combat armor. I've seen like, I've gotten a lot of synth armor. Nothing like that though. No combat armor. I might have gotten like some. We got some leathers too, I believe. But... Okay. Oh. What's that? Was that a skirmisher? Oh, this gun. Only thing, it goes through ammo like a motherfucker. Yeah, I found that Poisoner's legendary fucking minigun, and I thought it was going to be fucking amazing, because I assumed that it would work kind of like the bleed damage does. This gun is badass.